In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an opt-in page in Systeme.io. We'll be creating a simple funnel page that collects email addresses and automatically sends new subscribers to the next step. This is a great setup if you want to build an audience, grow your email list, or prepare people to receive follow-up emails. Start by going to your Systeme.io dashboard. Once you're there, click on Sites and then choose Sales Funnels. This area is where you'll create the structure for your opt-in page. Next, click Create to start a new funnel. Give your funnel a name that makes sense for your project so it's easy to find later. After that, select Build an Audience as your goal. This option is designed specifically for lead generation and email collection, which is exactly what an opt-in page is for. Then click Save. Now open your new funnel by clicking on its name. This will take you into the funnel steps layout where you can manage the pages in that funnel. You'll see pre-made templates available, so take a moment to browse through them and choose one that fits the look and feel you want. Once you've found one you like, click Select. After that, click Edit Page to open the page builder. Inside the editor, use the drag and drop tools to customize the page. You can change the text, update the colors, and swap out background images so the page matches your brand or offer. As you edit, make sure your page includes a form input element set to email along with a button element. Those two pieces are essential because they allow visitors to enter their email and submit the form. You may also notice a sample subscription area on the page. Click on that section, then click directly on your Forms button to open its settings in the left panel. Under the button action settings, choose Send Form. Then, for the redirect option after contact registration, choose to the next step. This makes sure that once someone submits their email, they'll automatically be taken to your thank you page or next funnel step. When that's done, click Save and then click Exit to return to the funnel settings. Next, open the Automation Rules tab. Click Add Rule, then click the plus icon to create a trigger. Choose Funnel Step Form Subscribed as the trigger. This tells Systeme.io to react whenever someone fills out your opt-in form. After creating the trigger, click on your new rule to add an action. From there, choose Add a tag if you want to label the contact, and/or subscribe to campaign if you want them to begin receiving automated emails. Finally, click Save Rule, and that's it. Your opt-in page is now set up and ready to start collecting leads in Systeme.io.